Unsaturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are connected by means of double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is divided further into two different categories. One is alkene, another is alkyne. Alkene. What is alkene? It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It can be defined like this: an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are connected by a double bond is called alkene. Now I am going to write the name of the alkene, some of the member of alkene. First member of alkene is ethene, E-T-H-E-N-E. Ethene. This is also called ethylene. Now, I told you in previous classes also, eth means 2, prop means 3, but means 4. In the same way, paint, heads, hept, opt, known, and deck. I am taking few alkene, and the prefix indicates the number of carbon atoms, and this E and E makes it alkene. Now these are a few members of alkene. First member is ethene. In the same way, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, etc. Now, this molecular formula of this compound, ethene, eth means carbon is 2, prop means carbon is 3, but 4. In the same way, here 5, 6, 7, 8, C9 and C10. The prefix indicates the number of carbon atoms. Dec means 10 carbon atoms. Okay. Now, to be alkene, this is hydrocarbon, hydrogen must be attached with this, and the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. This is general formula of alkene. What it means? If number of carbon atoms are n, then the hydrogen atom should be just double. It means, in case of ethene, if carbon is 2, then hydrogen must be 4. Here also, if carbon is 3, hydrogen must be 6. In the same way, if carbon is 4, hydrogen should be 8. This way, we can write the molecular formula. This is molecular formula of this compound. Now, we have to remember that alkene is unsaturated hydrocarbon in which out of many carbon atoms, 2 of them are connected by means of double bond, and its general formula is how many carbon atoms are there? Hydrogen should be just double. Now I am going to write their structural formula. This is the name of the compound. This is the molecular formula. Now, structural formula of ethene. Let's talk about ethene. Two carbon atoms are connected by means of double bond. Now, 2 carbon atoms are connected by means of double bond. Now, we have to put other 4 carbon atoms. Then, it becomes C2S4. C2S4. This is what ethylene or ethene. Now, in this compound, look, how many bonds are there with carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because carbon, its valency is 4, so there must be 4 bonds of carbon. Here also, this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. But hydrogen, its valency is 1. That's why it is connected with this carbon by means of only 1 bond. Now next, propene. In propene, there are 3 carbon atoms, and they are connected this way. There is double bond between 2 carbon atoms, not between all the carbon atoms, and this carbon has got 2 bonds. That's why I have to add 2 more bone, and this carbon atom has 3 bone. That's why I have to add only 1 bone to it, and then it becomes 4. Now this carbon has got 1 bone, and that's why I'm going to write 3 bone more, and this way propene forms. This is the structural formula of propene. C3 at 6. C3 at 6. This is propene, propene. Now next, butene. But means 4. It has 4 carbon atoms, but E says that this is unsaturated hydrocarbon in which 2 carbon atoms are connected by means of double bond. That's why out of these 4, 2 of them have double bond. And this way, carbon here, it has 2 bone. That's why 2 more bone is needed. That's why I took 2 bone. Here, carbon has got 3 bone. Now 1 more bone is needed. That's why I'm writing 1 bone. And this carbon has got 2 bone. That's why it requires 2 more bone. And this has got only 1 bone. That's why it requires 3 more bone. Now, these are the bonds with hydrogen. This is butene. This way we can write structural formula. We have to remember that out of many carbon atoms, 2 of them have double bond. Then that is called alkene. And prefixes represents how many carbon atoms, and E represents there is double bond between 2 carbon atoms. And the general formula indicates how many hydrogen atoms are there. If carbon is 5, then hydrogen must be 10. If carbon is 6, then hydrogen must be 12. This way we can write molecular formula, structural formula of alkene.